BGP table information. So in this slide I will be explaining to you that there are three different types of table we have in BGP. One is the neighbor table, one is the BGP routing table, and one is the routing table. So what is the neighbor table? So as we have studied in the IGP protocol, like in EIGRP and OSPF, that we have a neighbor table. A neighbor table is a table where it will hold the neighbor information. Let's say we have the router 1 connected to the router 2. For router 1, router 2 is its neighbor, and for router 2, router 1 it's its neighbor. Okay. So, as I explained, the neighbor table it's hold the neighbor information between two speakers. Okay, for R1 it's R2, and for R2 it's R1. Okay, so in terms of BGP, when we will form a neighborship between R1 and R2 or between R2 and R1, each peer will have its own neighbor table, and in its neighbor table they will be holding of their neighbor informations. So when we will use the command which is show IP BGP neighbor to see the information about the peers. Let's say if we go to R1 and use the command show IP BGP neighbor, and we will see the neighbor informations of R2. Okay, so in R1 when we will use this command which will gives us an information about the neighbors of R2. Okay, and we can also use the command which is show IP BGP summary to see the uptime of the neighbor. It means if we use this command, so if you go to R1 and say show IP BGP summary, so in this case we will see this the neighborship that we have with the R1. Okay, so let's say if I have the R1 router here, and with the R1 I have the R2, I have the R3, and I have the R4. So for R1 perspective he has three neighbors. Okay, and when we will use this command show IP BGP summary, which will show us the neighbor information for R1, R2, R3, and R4. Along with this, it will also show that for how long the neighborship has been established, like for 1 minute, 2 minutes, for 10 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 month, 2 month, 1 year. It will gives us the neighbor information along with the time for how long the neighbor has been established. If you use the command show IP BGP neighbor, it will give you the only neighbor information, whether it is internal, whether it is external. Okay, so this is the information about the neighbor table. So let me check now about the BGP routing table. So BGP routing table is nothing but it's all the routes that the neighbor will learn from its peers. So let's say we have the router R1 connected to the R2. Okay, and we have an update from R1 which is 1.0/24. So this update has been sent from R1 to the R2. Okay, and when we will go to R2, and when we will see the routing table, BGP routing table. Okay, BGP routing table in R2, we just have to use the command which is show IP BGP. When we will use this command inside the router R2, we will see the update that he has learned from his neighbors. Okay, if the router 2 has and one more neighbor, let's say the router 3, and there is a one more update also sent from router 3 to router 2, and when we will go to router 2 and use the command show IP BGP, it will show us the update that the router has learned from its neighbor. Okay, so this is like, the list of routes learned from the respective neighbors. Whatever the neighborship the router 2 has formed with other router, and the update this router 2 will be receiving from the other router, you will get this update under this command. Okay, and these are all the row routes before install into the routing table. So it means this for the R2 perspective. Okay, for R2 perspective, he has the neighborship with R3, he has the neighborship with R1. Okay, and the update that his neighbor is sending to R2, sending to from R1 to R2, all those update, all those prefixes will be installed into the R2 table, and these are all the row routes. Row routes means these are the routes which is not being processed yet. These are the route that he has learned from his neighbor before he decide whether this is a best route, okay, to install in the routing table. So as we know that the only the best route will be installed into the routing table, and the router will make a forwarding decision based on the routing table only. So these are the prefixes that you will be learning from the neighbor, and before install those prefixes into the routing table, this will be into the BGP routing table. So these are the routes which is only a BGP routes, nothing else. In your normal routing table, maybe you will have the BGP routing routes, you may will have the static routes, or you may will also have the other IGP protocol routes. But in BGP routing table, if you only would like to see the BGP routes that a router has learned from his neighbors, you just need to use the command show IP BGP to see all the BGP learn routes. Okay, and now the routing table. So what is routing table? So as you all know that the routing table is a table where you will get all the best route that the router will take to forward the traffic towards the destination. So let's say we have the router R1 and we have the router R2. Okay, and this update from R2 which is 192.168.1.0/24. This update has been sent from the router 1 to the router 2. Okay, and if you go to the routing table at R1, and when you will use the command show IP route to see the routing table information, when you will use the command show IP route, you will see the best routes. You will see the best routes installed in this routing table, and how the routes become best in terms of BGP. When I will explain it to you about the BGP path attributes, at that point of time I will explain it to you how the BGP identify the best routes, and this best route will only get installed in the BGP routing table. So for the time being, just remember that the routing table is nothing but it is a table where you will have all the best routes installed from the BGP routing table, and this best route will be using by the router to take the routing decisions. And when you would like to see the uh, routing table, you just need to use the command show IP route, and you will find all the best routes which has installed in the routing table. Okay, so before I complete it, let me recap it. So we have learned about the neighbor table, we have learned about the BGP routing table and the routing table. Neighbor table is nothing but it is the table when a router form a neighborship with another router. This table will be used for holding the neighborship information that the router has formed with the another router. BGP routing table. The BGP routing table is a table where a router will install all the routes that he has learned from his neighbor. Okay, and the routing table is a table where you will find all the best routes that he has selected from his BGP routing table, and this best routes will be installed in the routing table, and router will take this best routes to do the routing decisions. Okay, thank you.